What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter, and today we're doing a walkthrough video on this Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. Meet me on the boat. So now we're up on the Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. You'll see that it has the upgraded 40 horsepower outboard engine made by Mercury. You have a full width bench seat here with 2 cup holders. Also, since it's hot down here in Florida, we have a bimini top with black canvas that's going to cover the majority of this boat. Plenty of sun coverage. Now, at the helm here, you have your gauges, nav light switch, full, another cup holder, 2 to your left, 1 right here. This is connection for your 360 white light. This is the optional windshield here. This also has a storage compartment. Simply lift the latch up. You can store smaller items in here. This has a gasket right here to help keep water out. If water were to get in here, there's a drainer at the bottom. And you also have your throttle over here on the starboard, your gas tank right below your seat here, and you have a battery over on the port. Now, you have grab railings throughout the boat for people who aren't holding on the steering wheel. Makes for a nice grab handle here, just here while you're in here. Also, on the port aft, you have your beach boarding ladder here. So if you're pulling up to the sandbar bow in, you can get on and off the boat here. Maybe you're anchoring up on the water going for a swim, you'll be able to board from that. Now moving our way forward, this is your anchor locker here, or you can also use as storage. There's a nice little slit up in the boat right here where you can run your line complete and off the front of the boat. If you're anchored up somewhere at the sandbar, out on the water, maybe you're doing some fishing on this boat, you can anchor up, have that nicely run out of the hatch here. And that's just about going to conclude the walkthrough video on this Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. If you want to come see this boat, you come into MarineMax Jupiter or call in today and ask for Chad.